AI versus photo reading, and I don't even really think that's the real and only question here, because the future belongs to those who can combine artificial intelligence and enhance their human skills and potential as well. Because don't just use AI to replace your brain, use photo reading and AI to enhance the entire package and to expand your brain. So AI versus AI can read the book for you. Photo reading helps you become the person who can put that knowledge into action. And there's also the conversation about what are the top human skills we need in the wake of AI. Those include strategic judgment, decision-making, creative thinking, analytical thinking, emotional intelligence, empathy, adaptability, resilience, leadership, social influence. Photo reading enhances all of those skills. It teaches several of those skills and so much more. So yes, AI reads and writes for you. Photo reading trains you and further develops your skill set and enhances your brain. So I would say the conversation is about not just having AI pump information at you, but blending the tried and tested traditional with the matrix style effect of photo reading at 25,000 words per minute. And rather than photo reading versus AI, flipping that conversation on its head and looking at how you blend the two of these powerhouse modalities, because it seems as though AI is here to stay. So if you want to next level your human potential, join myself, Marilyn Devonish, the neuro success coach, rapid transformation specialist, futurist, and certified photo reading instructor since March 2002 for either the next in-person or online on-demand photo reading accelerated learning workshop. You'll find further information at www.transformationstm.com/photo reading, and that's TRANCEFORMATIONSGM.com, and that's F for Freddy, so transformationstm.com. Look at the tabs across the top of the website when you land, and yes, it's my old legacy website, so it's more of an archive of the things that I've done over the past 20, coming up to 26 years now, but there's a photo reading tab at the top. And once I've just pre-launched, if you're watching this in real time, the photo reading class for this year. It'll be in a few months from now, so you've got plenty of time if you're watching this video in real time, but it's 50% off if you're booking during the pre-launch this month. And then I'll set the date with those of you who have pre-booked so that I choose a date that everyone can attend. So yeah, here is to amping up our human power so that we stay several steps ahead of AI. Catch you later. And yeah, sure, feel free to share this video if you know someone who could benefit from next leveling their human and neurological and brain and intelligence and genius potential.